Good evening, people. What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my blog. Blue EcoV's here, back with another video. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm heading back home from work. And the other thing that I wanted to say is I'm gonna be doing vlogmas. I'm gonna try vlogmas. I don't know how I'm gonna be doing that because my life is kind of boring. But yeah, I'll be sharing my life with you guys for 25 days. See if I can do it, see if it's possible, but yeah. What do I say? What do YouTubers usually say? I don't know. Well, like I said, I'm heading back home and I'll show you guys some cool thingies here on my way home. It's a cool city to be around, Right now I'm coming out of DC and I'm heading back to Arlington, which is really not that far. And it's like 15 minutes on my car, but it's 27 minutes on a taxi and 3 hours on bus. So, well, I'll show you guys. So you guys can tell, here's my instruments, my cockpit of my fighter. It's not a fighter, it's a pony. Yeah, but the one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is I got my first sponsor. My first sponsor is Complete Carbon. They're a pretty cool company. They focus a lot on making carbon fiber interior parts for Mustangs, Chargers, Camaros, and also what's the other? If I say Charger, it will be Challenger. Yeah, and the prices are really good. Really good. When I say really good, I mean was something that would cost you I'm talking like $300. It will probably cost you like 180. It's a half price and the quality is there. Like as soon as I get some of their parts, I'll show you guys. I feel like driving back home is gonna take a while, more than 15 minutes. We're gonna do a little pull here before we get to the camera, the speed trap. No. We're not gonna do that yet. Wait until we get to an area that's open. Then I'll show you guys what the EcoBeast can do. So here's basically the POV of my car at night. I mean, it's a base model, so you don't get a lot here, but it's still nice, Still nice. We're a little spoiled here. Say hi to YouTube, man. Say it. Hey. I've been really shy on making videos lately. I don't know what's getting into me. I don't know if you can call it depression, but I guess it could be part of depression. I guess it's from being at home so much and not go out as I should. I mean, as much as I want to tell you guys out of my life, I want to get to know you guys first, and experience some things, with you guys. I want to be able to share my drives, my little road trips that I'll be doing. You guys will be seeing more of my friend Ty, with his monster build of an STI that he's gonna be doing. And yeah, here's another thing I wanted to share with you guys, which is the bridge, the Key Bridge in Washington DC. That city over there is Rosslyn and stuff. Yeah, check this out too. And everything I'm recording with my iPhone right now. So I'm not recording with my camera right now because it's out of battery. By the way, I'm also a huge fan of Stratman, and you guys might be hearing me say views on views because, man, that's my favorite phrase from him. I watch a lot of Daily Dreaming Exotics, you know. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody started their YouTube channel, you know, by watching other YouTubers, you know. And here is the city I've been talking about, Rustling. Hold on, guys. Oh, well, this is the bridge right now. Neato. It's really cool. It's a cool view, you know. Alright, so here's one of my favorite places to do pools because it's like an underpass. So you guys get ready. It's in a few. 1, 2, and 3. Woo! So here's a little straightaway. We're gonna do a quick little pool. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so I'm almost home, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you like the commute from my job down to my house, please leave a like, subscribe, and also, you know, continue watching. I'll be posting more. Like I said, I've been kind of lazy, like, I'm not gonna lie. I've been procrastinating, but I will see you guys later on. And yeah, thanks for watching and stuff, you know. You guys are the best, man. Peace.